wọ́n send video kan sí mi láàárọ̀ nípa àǹtí kan tó ní Yoruba Nation has come and failed woefully. Is that true? Auntie, ojoojúmọ́ tí mo bá ń wò yín, mo máa ń wò pé with your beauty and well outspoken, unlike illiterate bíi tèmi, mo believe pé kẹ́ wà ní post tó jiná ní Nàìjíríà yẹn. Tí wáyé pé Nigeria is working, tí wọ́n render education yín useless. Ó yẹ kẹ́ wà níbi kan tó bá ga ni. Ẹjọ́ mo fọ́nà bá bẹ̀ yín. Ẹ face Bobrisky àti K1 the ultimate. Ẹ fi Yoruba Nation agitator sílẹ̀. Mainly àwọn tó wà abroad, because when you will say something, àwọn tó wà abroad yẹn, àwọn tó ṣe kíní kan wà abroad yẹn, ṣé wọ́n ràn yín sí wa ni? But I will not blame you so much. Now I can say the reason why you are against Yoruba Nation agitation. Fine. You are suffering and smiling, as well as spoken and educated as you are. If everybody will come out and speak against Yoruba Nation agitation, anybody then to Okpolo is not about ìwé nìkan, ìwé ọ̀tọ̀, ọpọlọ ọ̀tọ̀. Kí ló tẹ̀ ń bá wa ta wà diaspora? Ṣé ilé easy lásàkó ńlé ni? And I know for sure, if you are opportune to run away from Nigeria, you call us violent. Are we violent? You are referring to that king. Ṣé nígbà tí a bẹ̀rẹ̀ agitation yìí, tí Igboho Sunday Igboho bẹ̀rẹ̀ agitation yìí, gbogbo tá a ṣe rally káàkiri, ǹjẹ́ wọ́n pààyàn níbẹ̀? Ṣé ẹ̀rí àwọn rallies tàṣe ní gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá? You're talking about violence. And see, education is not about everything. Maybe and to our well educated, what non-educated person, global control level. Because I'm not surprised. If I say you surprise me, I don't want to play your video because playing your video will make you relevant. I don't want to play your video because now I know why you're against Yoruba Nation agitation. You said it. Buhari is calling the youth, listen Nigerian youth. And you said you support Yoruba and Buhari calling Nigerian youth, listen Nigerian youth. Are the Nigerian youth, are they lazy? Factory mélòó na àwọn olóṣèlú Nigeria kan tí àwọn youth kọ tán láwọn ní ṣiṣẹ́ ńbẹ̀. Àwọn tó ń iṣẹ́ tó jẹ́ doctors tí wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́, wọn ò sanwó fún wọn, wọn ò sanwó fún teachers. And you said you supported Buhari calling Nigeria, listen Nigeria youth. They won't to see church. Teacher Bawa. Nigerian youth are not listening. One man to see church, one man to see Mashalashi. Auntie, think of it, please. Call yourself to order. Ambassador of Godfatherism. Yes. You are an ambassador of Godfatherism. Any of the Nigerian youth, they are lazy. With political party, they not dakale. Even not madakale. No do ababanye. Show you not le wugama. Show you ababanye not mada political parties. Timosile. It is so. Let's go on that sile. She want more show already. They get him arrested. You said a political youth, you are youth, and you said, you know why I call you ambassador of Godfatherism? You said you can introduce them to political godfathers, either of the party, either APC or PDP. You can introduce them to any political father of their choice. Now I know why you are against Yoruba Nation agitation. Political fatherism, ambassador of political godfatherism. Awati akawe akaopolo. Ǹjẹ́ ti gbọ́ pé wọ́n sọ pé ní Zamfara nísìn government ti order pé kí wọ́n shut down internet. Yes. Torí bandits. Torí àwọn bandits. Auntie, did you say anything about that? This thing is coming down to Southwest. For government, that's why we can shut down our internet. And the government are there deploying their military to Southeast. Kí wọ́n lọ pa ọmọ Igbo. Níbi tí wọ́n ti pa àwọn ilẹ̀ ní tọ́jú pa àwọn nílẹ̀ Hausa you don't want to bandits were they are committing genocide. Genocide is being going on in Igbo states, the Biafran states. They are killing their youth on daily basis until you said nothing about it. They kidnap ní routine to jẹ́ Èkìtì. Wọ́n kidnap to kidnap olóyún. You did nothing about it. You don't come out and say Banjare o wọ́n ti pa yan nílùú yín because you are an ambassador of godfatherism. Ambassador of political godfatherism, for goodness sake. My sister, education you are useful. I don't want to come out for you, but stop coming out for Yoruba Nation and mention I want diaspora. If you are opportune, if you see the opportunity to come down here, I trust you. I know you will come. Please and please keep yourself to yourself. Important, I don't come out. But you are talking, but I don't want anybody to distract me with any comments. And so anything about anybody, but not Yoruba Nation agitation. You said Yoruba Nation agitation has come and failed woefully. Are you serious? Like seriously? Come to UN. You will know. Sunday Igboho, Chief Oloye Sunday Igboho, the Messiah of Yoruba land, has said it. He said you can only kill the messenger, but you cannot kill the message. Better still, you can never kill the messenger. You cannot kill Sunday Igboho and won't keep it violent. See how my baby and color what's in it. She will be a way command binu and sit on my down at the early stage. What the baby to magic boom and sit down for me and kilo fair, kilo beer, kilo fair, uncle by no fair, ma meant. Or more yen, the battle goes in binu, a mother your gear man honey. 6 years, 7 years back, she had complained back. Okay, apostle obviously complain. Sunday Igboho jáde ó pariwo. Yoruba Nation agitators and bota and pariwo. Kò sí nǹkan tó kan ìjọba Buhari àtàwọn olóṣèlú ten pariwo fún one Nigeria ten pariwo fún láti pé ẹ wá ẹ jẹ́ dialogue pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ yìí o. Kí ni nǹkan tó fẹ́? Kí at the early stage. Kò tó pé kí ni ma escalate. Bí kò pè wá ẹ̀pọ̀n tó sọ̀rọ̀ gbẹ̀yẹn gbogbo àbáyọ tí máa sọ̀rọ̀. Bàtàwọn èèyàn sọ kí ló fẹ́? Àǹtí ṣe rántí pé àwọn kan jáde wípé wọ́n ṣe lè sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọba fẹ́mi fẹ́ kọ́ restructure Nigeria. Ǹjẹ́ rántí kan tí Buhari sọ ó ní dẹ̀ ó náà tó ń béèrè fún restructuring ó ní wọ́n mọ kan tí wọ́n fẹ́ àǹtí tó ń campaign fún godfatherism. So that means the youth have no life in Nigeria. Àwọn youth ò ní life in Nigeria. That's what you are saying. Because you're saying you're going to introduce them to their political godfatherism. You have godfathers who introduce them fún ọ̀rẹ́ òyà mi lẹ́nu mọ́. Kò dùn mí fún ẹ mọ́. Kò dùn mí fún ẹ mọ́. Popularity ló ń wá. Contract ló ń wá. Jọ face Bobrisky àti K1 the ultimate fi Yoruba Nation agitation sílẹ̀. Kí ni problem tó ní pẹ̀lú Yoruba Nation agitation? Àwọn tó wà ní diaspora, àwọn tó wà ní diaspora, àwọn tó wà ní diaspora ńkọ́. Àwọn diaspora kíní kan Yoruba Nation. If Yoruba Nation, can't you just find another topic? That is streets. Because mo mọ̀ kó kàwé. Unlike our kàwé. To bá kàwé no sense pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ náà. If you are learned, you have to apply your senses to it. So that every time you come out from Yoruba Nation, you start. Now, I am not surprised. I am not surprised. You preach what you are today by saying the youth should go and form political party, but you forgot to well form a political party and one arrested. You said we have the Yoruba Nation agitators, they are violent. But it will not happen. Instead, they went to Sunday Igboho. They killed 2 people, arrested, kidnapped, because I will not say arrested, kidnapped 12 human beings and a cat. An animal, an innocent animal, for goodness sake. To buy the animal, to have cat in the bee, to go in the bee, what pet say, oh, you crazy. Are you saying nothing about it than to come and say, oh, violence, and see, want to kidnap your man in jail, but I can say, wọ́n kidnap ti sọ to kidnap olóyún ǹjẹ́ sọ anything nípa ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rí kò tẹ́ máa ṣe mọ́ ilé wá bí jókòó sí Don't come for Yoruba Nation agitation. Agitate us again. Ego, auntie, any soon. I don't want Yoruba Nation. I think a fracas. I don't want to enter fracas because of you. But whenever you come out for Yoruba Nation agitators, whenever you abuse us, I will come out for you. I will give you your answer. Whenever I follow it, the time I said, can you see me, feel you see me, pay, or to be Yoruba Nation agitators, I will come out for you. But I will just pick one or two things from what you are saying. Buhari derive pleasure in Boko Haram killing the youth, kidnapping the youth. Auntie, I want godfathers in, our political godfathers in, tí campaign fún, tell káwọn youth wá kẹ́ introduce wọn sí. Auntie, iyo ton America ton jigbe ni ìlú yín, kí la political father yẹn ṣe. Àwọn tí àwọn yẹn náà wà violent ni, àwọn tí wọ́n lọ kidnap nínú ilé ní ìlú yín. Tí àwọn yẹn náà wà violent ni. Auntie, come off it. Come off it. Nigeria is not working, Nigeria cannot work again. We are not violent. You know that. But to your ambassador of godfatherism, te fẹ́ gbà, òun ló ń ṣe yín. Te fi mọ̀ kan, te fi sọ pàlàpàlà lẹ́nu. Wo lọ sọ́tún, wo lọ sósì, dẹ̀ gbogbo nice bẹ́yẹn. Bẹ́ ṣe wo yẹn, wọ́n ṣe ń pa àwọn èèyàn yẹn, gbogbo good bẹ́yẹn. For a Yoruba woman, a Yoruba lady to come out and say he supports when Buhari called Nigeria youth, lazy Nigeria youth, that he supported Buhari. Kí ló ṣe yín náà? Ṣé ìwé nìkan náà kọ́ yín ní school ni? Ẹ sọ̀rọ̀, ṣé ìwé nìkan náà kọ́ yín ní school? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Kí ló pé tó ń tẹ́gẹ́ jẹ ẹ̀dẹ̀ bá nǹkan tẹ́gẹ́ jẹ́? Kí ló tẹ́ ẹ̀rọ ọ̀la? Auntie, I will have played your video because when I play it, I believe I just want to make you relevant. Because you are irrelevant. Even with your education, education you go relevant. Education you go useful. How dare you say that? But they support Buhari, Opa Nigeria, let's see Nigerian youth. Excuse me, get that into your score. Nigerian youths are not lazy. They are well determined. You don't bet kàwé nínú wọn, ó fẹ́ kàwé ni. You don't bet ṣiṣẹ́ nínú wọn, ó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ni. Àbúrò Sowore today. Àbúrò Sowore little brother the immediate little brother was murdered today on his way to school. A pharmacy where he was, oh God. Ṣé mo pé pharmacy ló ń rí dìṣà? Ṣé mo pé ẹni tí ò lọ́pọlọ kò ní ṣe doctor? He was murdered on his way to school today. You're not lazy àgbà. Àwọn doctors wọ́n kàwé tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ tí wọ́n sanwó fún àwọn náà lazy. Auntie, you just make me believe that you ọ̀tọ̀, ọpọlọ ọ̀tọ̀. Please get your sense back. Any format brain yín fún yín. Kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé Nigerian youths are not lazy. Èmi tí mo bá yín sọ̀rọ̀, mo máa ozu ní Nigeria, mo ṣiṣẹ́ kárakára. But ìgbà tí Nigeria fẹ́ waste ìwọ̀nba agbára tó wà lára mi, mo gbọ́ sí ìlú òyìnbó. Nigeria ló ń build àwọn doctors. Doctors ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ níbò mi. Oh my God. And you supported that. You support it. Nigeria build the doctor. University not jáde. Show our government not jáde ní Nigeria. And share with that dan. Kéèyàn tọ́ ọmọ. Kó tọ́ ọmọ yẹn dàgbà. Mo yẹn ti dàgbà. Ó ti wá dìgẹ̀. Kéèyàn máa fìyà jẹ. Kó tó ọmọ yẹn ẹlòmíràn padà á jèrè ọmọ yẹn. Àwọn doctors tó ń kàwé ní Nigeria. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ní Nigeria. Nigeria ò fún wọn lówó. Despite the fact pé most of them ìyá wọn ló wọn ní school. Most of them on pada cash or láti rán wọn ní school. Okay, wọ́n ti di doctors kan nìyẹn. Wọ́n ready láti serve ìlú wọn. Wọ́n ready láti ṣe dáadáa sí ìlú wọn. Wọ́n wá wọlé life wọn ní free education o. Ìyá àti bàbá tó fún wọn ní kíní, wọ́n wá tán ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n wá fún wọn lówó láti fi pay back ìyá àti bàbá yẹn. And you said you support Buhari. oníwèé, anti education. Don't pay àwọn Yoruba Nation agitators ní riffraff. Please send my video to her. Don't pay Nigeria Yoruba Nation agitators ní riffraff, anti oníwèé. Don't pay that in school. They won't kidnap àwọn èèyàn. Don't kidnap àwọn èèyàn. Kidnap àwọn èèyàn students sin. Wọ́n dey kidnap yín ni. Ẹ mọ̀ tán fún àti máa fi abẹ́ yín dá lára. Now tell me, what has Buhari that you supported and all these political godfathers that you supported, what has they done about these students who won't kidnap every day? Remember, Showore's brother was a student. Because I will use what was his late now. Those children that have been kidnapping here and there, new schools, people àwọn ìyá àti bàbá wọn ni wọ́n lọ ń wá owó millions of naira láti lọ gbà wọ́n. After being kept at captivity of the Boko Haram for long days, sometimes months, even years, and nothing has been done about it than for their parents to find money, millions of naira, that's the bail one out if they were not killed, because most of them lost their life. That instead of you to come out and say something about that, you keep on saying you supported Buhari. You support Buhari because you support Buhari. Buhari said Nigerian youth are lazy. And see, come off it. Ẹ̀rọ ọpọlọ yín dáadáa. Ẹ bá mi send fídíò ìsáǹtì. Ẹ bá mi send there. Wọ́n dẹ̀ láwọn ojú àwọn Yorùbá agitators wọ́n tọrọ owó kíní òkìní kan. Èmi ò tọrọ, mi ò béèrè owó. Àwọn tó máa béèrè owó ní platform kan béèrè owó. Èmi ń bẹ̀ pẹ̀lú subscribe YouTube channel mi Yorubawuyi. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Yorubawuyi. Àwọn nǹkan tá bá sọ tí on bá yẹ ká rí gbé jáde lórí Facebook. Ẹ máa rí ní YouTube. Tó ti Facebook bá dẹ̀ gbà. Ẹ follow like page mi Yorubawuyi fans page. Ẹ follow like page mi. Ẹ send baby message yìí sí àǹtí alákọ̀wé, àǹtí Èkìtì tí wọ́n kóyàn tó kidnap àwọn èèyàn nílùú ẹ̀, wọ́n tún kidnap olóyún, kò rí nǹkan sọ, than for her to come out today and said she supports Buhari. She supports Buhari because Buhari called Nigerian youth lazy Nigerian youth, and Yoruba Nation agitators, they have come, they have failed, they have failed.